Good morning. Today is February the 7th, 2024. This is my trading account. I just put $100 in. As you can see, let me see. This is a Tastyworks account. And you see with option buying power was $105.57 because I had $5.67 already sitting in the account. So I just added $100 in, and I want to show you how I can make a little cash flow off this $100. You could do this same strategy with any amount, but obviously the more money you have, the more money you can make. So here's a stock symbol called ROKU. And so they're a $94 stock, $94.69 stock. And what I want to do is, and what you see is this bar here, this little orange bar. This little orange bar here in the middle is what they call the expected move. So the market is expecting this stock to move about $2 to the downside, $2 to $3 to the upside. So it's about $2 to $3 to the downside, $2 to $3 in the upside, to the upside. This contract expires on February 9th, which is 2 days from now. And the reason why I'm doing such a short trade is because earnings come out, I believe, that Monday. So I'm trying to avoid the earnings cycle. And here's how you could tell when earnings is coming out. Earnings is coming out February 15th. So I'm trying to avoid earnings because notice how the IV, the implied volatility, spikes up to $130. I mean, not $130, sorry, 130%, which is very high. Now, I usually do trade off of earnings, but if you are a beginner, I don't suggest trading off or doing this strategy or trading off of earnings at this time until you start making some money. Now, I might do it, for next week, but we'll see myself. But again, I don't recommend it for a beginner investor or a beginner trader. So right here, the implied volatility is only 65%, which is still good. That's what you prefer. Anything above 50% is really good because that means that these are liquid, and that's what I want. So what I'm going to do is, since I only have $1, that means I can only trade $1 wide. So notice the strikes are 94, 93, 92, 91. These are $1 apart. So this works for me for what I'm looking to do. And what I'm looking to do is do what is called a put. A bear put. A bull put spread, or BPS. Keep calling it bear. Sorry, bear is bearish. Bull is bullish. A bull put spread. So what I'm saying is I am looking for the stock to stay above a certain amount. So in this case, what I'm going to do is the $92 one. So I'm going to sell the $92 strike, and I'm going to buy the $91 strike. Now notice my max profit is about $22, and I'm risking $78. Okay. But now if you look all the way over here where my mouse is at, look what it says POP, probability of profit. That's 73%. So that's pretty good. So I just have to monitor this for 2 days. And the goal is not necessarily to keep all $21. The goal is to get at least half, if not most of it, and then close out the trade. But because it's a 2-day trade, I might just choose to keep the full 22, depending how the stock is behaving. If the stock was to reverse and go down, then I'm going to have to make some adjustments to keep my capital, and I'll have to show you how that works. But for now, what I'm going to do is just click review and send. So see, 21. I'm looking to get about $21. Okay, and then after commission, it's going to be about $18.73. So that's how much that would go into my account. And with that $18.73, I can use that to buy something that I may need or to pay off a bill or whatever. But obviously, $18 is not a lot. So, you got to just build up your account. Now, obviously, the more money you have, the more money you can make. But that's what you do this to help create, to pay off bills. So let me submit, and it went through. It looks like. Let me see. I'm just now. Let me see. Where am I at? Oh, so here we go. The activity. So you see, it's filled. I collected $22 in credit. So this is good. So this is in the activity tab here. Um, I like Tasty Trade because it's very visual and and what I'm looking to do. Okay, so again, um, so now I'm just simply have to just wait and let's see how this trade, pans itself out. And and depending how it goes, I'll let you know. I'll create another video letting you know if I made a profit or a loss or whatever action that I decide to take, depending on what the stock does. Okay? Have a good day. Oh, and if you like this, just hit on the like. You can share the video if you like. But definitely do the thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to start doing more of these type of videos. Um, this is a nice little way to make a little income besides your day job. And I just showed you what I could do with $100. You can do it with even $50, but 100, at least 100. Because the more you have, the more you can work with, the more options, quote unquote, no pun intended, you have. Okay, have a good day.